In the previous video, we have discussed the problems and found the solution for having only single inequalities. Now, in certain situations, there can be two or more inequalities. These are named as compound inequalities. Means its definition is an inequality in which we have two or more inequalities, separated by and or. We can have two inequalities in which this and or is given there. These are known as compound inequalities. Now, for solution set of inequalities, compound inequality with and is the intersection, because in sets also you have studied and is for intersection. Intersection of the solution sets of individual inequalities, individual linear inequalities. We'll take some example later on. For example, a less than x and x less than b can be expressed as a less than x less than b. Now, solution set of compound inequality with or is the union of the solution sets of individual linear inequalities. It is the union of the two solution sets. For example, if we take x less than b or x greater than a, that means we have either x less than b or x greater than a. This is union of these two solutions. I'll take some examples. Now I am taking a few parts to show this compound inequality, how to solve it. There we have 5x minus 3, which is minus 8 less than equal to this or less than this. We can solve it simultaneously to convert it into x. So adding 3 to all. Adding 3 to all inequalities, because it is a positive number, we can add with this less than 5x minus 3 plus 3, 7 plus 3. This 5x less than equal to this is your minus 5, this is 10. So again I have to divide by 5, dividing by 5 throughout, by 5. This minus 5 by 5 less than x less than 10 by 5, that means less than 2. Now we have the solution set as all the real numbers such that x is lying between minus 1 and 2, including 1 as well. It can be written in interval form as minus 1 to 2, two-side open bracket. And to show it on number line, we can see that this is your infinity, this is your minus infinity, this is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, etc. This is minus 1 to 2. All the numbers lying between this real numbers. So this is dark side and minus 1 included to dark circle. Minus 1 to 2, this is I will take open circle because it is not included. So we will take this dark line shows the solution set. Let us take a few questions in which two or more inequalities are given to you, and you have to solve these inequalities and show the graph of solution on the number line. You can see over here in first part we have two inequalities. We will solve it separately. This solution is 3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 12. So this is 3x minus 2x greater than minus 12. plus 7. What I have done, I have transport plus minus terms. So you can have, this is x greater than minus 5. So from here, this is minus 5 to infinity. This is the solution for first inequality. And the second part of the same question is greater than 11 minus 2x. 6 minus x plus 2x, which is called greater than 11. This is x plus 6 greater than 11. This is x greater than 11 minus 6. X greater than 5. And this side, this is 5 to infinity. Now, I have told you when we are having compound inequalities, 2 or more inequalities, then we will have this and this. To solve this, we will take x greater than minus 5 one number and this is 2 number. Combining 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we can have x greater than 5. I can show it on the number line for more clarity. If a number that is minus 5, 0, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, you can see over here all the numbers greater than minus 5 this side. The solution. And for second inequality, all the numbers greater than this. The common is here, this part where 5 is not there. This is your open. So the solution will become this. The common part I have told you in the end. So solution set is yours 5 to infinity. Moving on to second part again, I will take the two inequalities. Solving the first one, this is 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 less than 0. This is 4x minus 44 less than 0, 4x less than equal to 44 and so x less than 11. At the second part of the inequality, 2x minus 6x less than 47 minus 19. This is minus 4x less than equal to 28. Dividing by minus 4 changes the sign and this is your minus 7. Now we have first and two solutions of the equation given inequalities. Now this combining 1 and 2, you can see we have a number greater than minus 7 and a number less than equal to 11. To show it on number line, let us draw the number line. Minus infinity to infinity, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. And we have here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, etc. Now all the numbers, or you can see less than 11 on this side and minus 7 greater on this side. So the combining, we have all the solutions lying between this and this. This is the whole real number line darkened as shown. So the solution set is yours. Solution set is minus 7 to 11. This is closed interval and as shown in the graph.